Make this 5-ingredient lip balm. For my friends who want moisturized lips this winter, you need to learn the magic of turning natural ingredients into natural products. And guess what? It's easy. You can make your own lip balm in under 5 minutes with Simply Earth's Winter Frost Lip Balm recipe. But before I tell you what you need, let me just make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to learn how to use essential oils and natural ingredients to make your own products. And that's why you can find everything you need for today's recipe in the Simply Earth recipe box. The ingredients are also available at simplyearth.com. Here's what you need to make it. Grab your Simply Earth Winter Frost Lip Balm recipe, mango butter, a teaspoon of almond oil, a pinch of beeswax, which is 1/16 of a teaspoon, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, and 1 drop of juniper berry essential oil. You're also going to be using this cosmetic tin from your recipe box. Let's make it. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of mango butter, which is a really nice butter that is light on the skin, but also very moisturizing. I'm also going to be adding a teaspoon of almond oil, and a 1/16 teaspoon of beeswax. So now I'm gonna melt this. You can do this in the microwave using short intervals, or you can melt it in a double boiler. Now my oils have just melted. You don't want them to be too hot, because otherwise when you add your essential oils, they'll immediately evaporate and you won't get the benefits and aroma of the oils. So this has just melted, the beeswax has just melted. You can double check the temperature to be under 200 degrees, probably around 175 or lower would be good. So I'm going to add 2 drops of lavender and 1 drop of juniper berry. Now all I'm going to do is pour it into this cute tin. And now I'm going to set this aside to cool, and then I have my own lip balm. And don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. That is an amazing lip balm. And you can make it too! If you want to turn your essential oils into natural products like this winter lip balm, then you need a Simply Earth's essential oil recipe box, because it actually teaches you how to unlock the magic of natural ingredients to make your own amazing products like this lip balm. I love to see your creations on social media, so take a picture of your lip balm, share it with hashtag I made this, and tag from Simply Earth so that I can see it, and you'll also be entered into our monthly $5 giveaway drawing.